We're going to take a look at a traffic project that I've been working on for quite a while. Here we'll see this Mustang pass these other three vehicles. So here I've got this road generator and I've got these waypoints that I can add to as children of this road generator. I'm going to cache those waypoints and then generate these nodes. The nodes themselves, if there's a neighbor to the front, left, and right, then they'll have access to that neighbor so that these road users, these vehicles, can then pass if they're behind someone that's slower than them. Now to spruce things up a little bit, I've added this stylized vehicle pack and I've created a vehicle spawner, which you can see the code for here. I've forgotten to put the transform position. Now we're going to generate those vehicles and then they'll go to the closest node to where they were generated. Now I want to add more to the visuals. I've added a terrain. I've added something to show where the spawn is going to happen. I'm correcting that spawn position now. You can see that I've added a little bit more code here. You can pause to check that out if you want. Now we're going to go in here. It's going to spawn vehicles within that green circle that you see there. And those vehicles are then going to go to the closest node to them. And we'll take a look at these two cars and the passing mechanism right there. Now, I'm sorry, but I don't plan on making this into a tutorial. I would like to help you guys out with your ideas on how to make a traffic system. Like I would like to give you ideas on how I did this. So if you're interested in this, subscribe and you'll be able to see this in the future. If more people, want to see this kind of content. If this doesn't interest you, you can also say that. So let me know in the comments. Let me know with the like and the dislike button. Thanks a lot. See you next time.